building a structure, a home, a place, a shelter is kind of as intrinsically within us as maybe it is for any other animal that goes out and builds a nest or a home. And I think modern day building has kind of removed that from us. This way of building not only brings back the skills and the knowledge back to people to build their own structures the way they want, but it also empowers them and tools them up to feel like they really are creating something for their own future from their local materials. And I think if Roundwood Timber Framing can get that message across, then that's a great step forwards. For me, Roundwood Timber Framing and this whole way of building has come from working in the woods and from having a love of trees and timber. Working with Roundwood and taking techniques which have been there for years in traditional sort of green oak framing, techniques that are used out in Canada, America and Scandinavia for log building, bringing those together to form structures such as this, which I feel are quite aesthetically beautiful structures, but yet use the raw material of the forest. This gives the whole emphasis back onto what we're growing and how we're managing our land. It's a conversation I often have with architects is to say, you know, we've got to stop designing buildings which are beautiful things in our imagination, but then we search all around the globe to find the materials. Where we need to start is, what materials have we got available locally? Let's go into the forest, meet the local woodsman. The local woodsman will be able to say, yes, we've got 20 larch trees, we've got half an acre of sweet chestnut, half an acre of hazel, that's all ready to cut, and then design the houses and the buildings from that. That way we're managing our local resource and also being able to produce buildings locally made out of those materials. And it's that connection that really inspires me to do more of this work.